students, good morning. Welcome back to EduStar video class. You are watching Class 5 Social Revision for Term 1 exam Part 2. In the last video class, we have revised lesson 1, 2 and 3. Today, we are going to revise lesson 4, lesson 5 and lesson 11. First, we will see lesson 4, Realms of the Earth. In this lesson, we have studied about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. These are called the components of the earth, also called realms of the earth. Lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. It consists of three layers: crust, mantle and the core. The core is further divided into inner core and the outer core. Crust forms the uppermost layer, mantle is the middle layer and core is the innermost layer of the lithosphere. And all these layers are made up of rocks and minerals. The layers change from a solid state to a semi-solid state. Okay, and only the core remains solid due to the force by the upper layers. Next is about hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the sphere of water. It covers nearly 71% of the Earth's surface. So, the Earth is known as a blue planet. And next we studied about water cycle. So what is meant by water cycle? Continuous movement of water is known as water cycle. It consists of three stages: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water changes to vapor. Condensation is the process by which vapor changes to water. Precipitation means any form of water falling on earth. Next is about atmosphere. Atmosphere is nothing but of air. It is a mixture of gases. For example, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Atmosphere acts as a blanket for earth. And layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Atmosphere supports life on earth because we breathe oxygen present in the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide helps plants to prepare food. So it is very essential for our survival. Last is about biosphere. Biosphere is the zone of life on earth. Biosphere is zone of earth where life exists. So biosphere includes both the living and non-living components. Okay. Lesson 4, book exercise. You have to study, fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer the following in few words, answer the following in detail. So refer book and classwork note. Question answer, no need to by heart everything. You can write by your own also, but concept is very important. Study the lesson thoroughly. Now we will revise lesson 5, continents and oceans. Now we will revise about continents. So what is continent? Continents are large land masses. There are 7 continents on earth: North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. First we will see about Asia. Asia is the largest continent and it is surrounded by oceans on 3 sides: Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. It has Mount Everest, which is the world highest peak, and the Dead Sea, which is world's lowest point on land. It also has Gobi Desert, which is a cold desert, and the Arabian Desert, which is a hot desert. Next is about Africa. Africa is the second largest continent and it is surrounded by water bodies on all sides. Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. It has Sahara Desert, Nile River and the Victoria Falls. Kilimanjaro is the continent's highest peak. Africa is also known as the Dark Continent. Next is about North America. North America is the third largest continent and it is surrounded by Arctic, Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Isthmus of Panama connects the North America and the South America. And Mount McKinley is the continent's highest peak. Mount McKinley is the continent's highest peak. Okay. So next, USA, Canada and Mexico are some of the important countries in the North America. Next is about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent and it lies below North America. Okay, so Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in South America. It has Amazon River, Angel Falls, Atacama Desert. Next is about Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and it is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It is known as White Continent or the frozen continent because it is covered by a thick layer of permanent ice. Next is about Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent. Europe is also known as the peninsula of peninsulas because it has several peninsulas like the Scandinavian, Balkan and the Italian peninsulas. European itself looks like a peninsula because it is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. Last is about Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, so it contains Great Barrier Reef which is located in the northeastern coast of Australia. It has small islands. So these islands are collectively known as Oceania. Mount Kosciuszko is the highest peak of this continent. Now we will see about ocean. So there are 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. First we will see about Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and the deepest ocean. It is triangular in shape and the deepest part, Mariana Trench, is located in the Pacific Ocean. Next is about Atlantic Ocean. The shape of Atlantic Ocean is letter S and it is the second largest ocean. Indian Ocean, it is the third largest ocean and it is triangular in shape and Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal are the important part of this ocean. Next is about Southern Ocean. It is the fourth largest ocean. It is also known as Antarctic Ocean. It is formed by merging Indian, Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Last is about Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean and it lies in the Arctic Circle. Okay, and it remains frozen throughout the year. and the north pole of the earth is located here. Lesson 5, book exercise. Fill in the blanks, match the following, answer the following in few words, answer the following in detail. Study all these things. Refer book and classwork note. Okay, students. Map is also there for your exam. Refer page number 26 in your social book. 7 continents and 5 oceans are there, isn't it? So, these you have to study. Practice well, okay? Now, we will revise lesson 11, pollution. First, we will see about pollution. Pollution is the contamination of land, water and air by harmful substances. Such substances are known as pollutants or contaminants. Pollutants are of two types, natural pollutants and human-made pollutants. Examples of natural pollutants are volcanic eruption, forest fire, sandstorms, etc. Examples of human-made pollutants are pesticides, automobile exhaust, honking of horns, etc. Next we will see about types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution and radioactive pollution. First we will see about air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is called air pollution. Volcanic gases, fumes from forest fires, sandstorms are some of the natural air pollutants. Now we will see human-made sources of air pollution. First is about smoke from factories, vehicles and burning of fuels and crackers. These will pollute the air. And also radioactive emission. And air pollution causes cough, eye irritation and diseases like asthma. Next is about water pollution. When harmful substances are discharged into water bodies, they cause water pollution. Volcanic eruption, floods are natural causes of water pollution. Human-made sources of water pollution are discharge of industrial waste into river, discharge of domestic garbage into water bodies, oil spill in sea water and bathing and washing clothes in rivers and lakes. Water pollution causes diseases like dysentery, jaundice, typhoid and also respiratory problems. Next we will see about soil or land pollution. This gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. Now we will see some of the human-made activities causing land pollution. Improper disposal of household garbage on streets. Improper disposal of contaminated medical garbage. Improper disposal or leakage of harmful chemicals in industrial areas and excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides in farming. Soil pollution may cause headache, skin rash and in extreme case it may cause cancer and can damage the kidney, liver and the nervous system. Next is about noise pollution. Excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called noise or sound Pollution. Noise is harmful to all living things. It causes stress, irritation and also led to loss of hearing. The intensity of sound is measured in decibel. The softest sound we can hear is about 20 decibels. Any sound louder than 90 decibel is harmful. Next we will see about causes of noise pollution. Car and bus horns, loudspeaker and loud music, home appliances such as vacuum cleaners, washing machines, mixer, grinders, and last one is because of firecrackers. And the last type of pollution is radioactive pollution. It is the pollution caused by radioactive or nuclear material. Some examples of nuclear materials are uranium, radium and plutonium. These may be used in the form of fuel or weapon. When the nuclear material waste are not disposed properly, then it will be very dangerous to our environment. Lesson 11, book exercise. Fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, answer the following in few words, answer the following in detail is given. Refer book and classwork note, study thoroughly. Now we will see model question paper. First section A. Choose the correct answer. 6 into 1 equal to 6. I have given 6 question. Choice is also given. So you have to find out the answer. Next, Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. 6 into 1 equal to 6. 6 question is given. Next, Roman letter 3, match the following. So for this alone you need to write question with answer. Is it clear, students? Roman letter 4, rearrange the jumbled words. Jumbled words are given 6 words. Refer lesson 2, latitudes and longitudes to find out the words. In term exam, I will give clues to find out the words. Okay. Next, section B, Roman letter 5, answer the following. 8 questions given, isn't it? So from this you have to write any 6. Each question carries 2 marks. So you have to write minimum 4 points. Okay. Next, section C, Roman letter 6, answer the following in detail. Here I have given 5 questions, isn't it? So from this you have to write any 3 questions. Since it is a detailed answer, try to write minimum 10 points. Okay. Next, section D, Roman letter 7, map mark. Buy a world outline map and mark the followings. I have given Europe, Indian Ocean, Tropic of Cancer, North America and Pacific Ocean. And don't forget to write your roll number in the map and use pencil to mark. Is it clear, students? Now I am going to tell you how to present your answer sheet. Write your name, class, roll number, subject, date in the right side of your paper. Then in the middle write term 1 exam. Then draw one line. Write section A, Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer and write only the answer. No need to write question. Okay, just mention the Roman number and write the question number alone. No need to write the question. Write only the answer. Use only blue pen to write the answer. Next, see here Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks as I have shown to you. You have to write. Is it clear, students? Then write answer. After completing one Roman letter, draw line. For question and answer alone, after completing question, draw one line. After completing one question, draw one line. Neat presentation is very important. Is it clear, student? And map also use only pencil to mark the continents and oceans. Is it clear, students? After completing your written works, just take a photocopy and forward it to our mail ID. Our mail ID is edustar.5@gmail.com, and don't forget to mention your roll number and subject name in the subject column. All the best for your exam, students. Do well, study well. Bye.